Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable backup multi-factor authentication on your CRA account. First of all, this is optional. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. Okay. So because of the privacy involved, I'm gonna display this app, display this process in screenshots rather than a live video. So this is the home page where you uh, go in order to get into your my CRA account, and there's a link CRA sign in. Okay, so when you sign in, there are two options, like either you select your ID password or through a provider. So I do through a provider. So when you click on that, you get you then it sends a one-time passcode to your phone. So basically, two multi-factor authentication are coming in my CRA, which is good. So after you put in the code, you reach here, backup option. You see there are three apps, three methods: authenticator app, passcode grid, or set up a backup option later. So if you don't want, you can select third option, set up later, so that you don't have to. But it's highly recommended because CRA information is highly sensitive, right? So what I have done, I selected is authenticator app, and I clicked on next. So here on this page, you see there QR code is written. So just below that, there was a QR code that, of course, that I cannot show for privacy. But yeah, this page it comes. So next, what you have to do is on your mobile device, install an authenticator app. I am gonna share the link for it in the description, so you can download it from uh, Google Play or Apple App Store. Okay. And there you just need to add this. If you click on plus or there, it will give you an option to add a QR code. You just scan whatever you see here in this screen, and it's going to be added automatically. Once you add, and it is success, like there'll be a next button. When you come to next, it will ask for one-time passcode. This one-time passcode is going to be generated by your app, authenticator app. And once you put it here, go for next. That's it. You can log in into your account. So that means now it has been set up. So every time you come here, you can use the app's backup method of putting a code. So basically two layers of protection, three in fact, have been added. So this is again adding more safety to your CRA account, and it's highly recommended. But again, this is optional. So it is up to you. So this is how simple it is to do this, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.